Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Umsebenzi Podcast. Today we are going to have our very first own Microsoft Word training. Yay! So guys, I know, I've done it before. You told them you know how to do Microsoft Word. You even wrote it on the CV over and over. So what I'm gonna do for you today is I'm gonna give you hacks. I'm gonna give you tips. I am just gonna hit it on the beyond. I'm just gonna hit it on A level type of thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you basics on Microsoft Word on how you can operate it. So stay in tune. Let's have our first training. Pour yourself a cup of coffee or a glass of water or a tea or whatever beverage you kind of wanna drink, or a drink, you can call it that. So let's have our first training, and guys, I have a surprise for you. After going through this training, you're not just going through it just for kicks. So what you are going to get from this training is you're going to get a certificate of completion. The certificate is accredited by Epiphany HR, which are sponsoring today's video. So stay tuned. Let's have our first training. I'm so excited, guys. Why aren't you? Let's have it. To the Microsoft Word, the most powerful tool for creating professional documents. With Word, you can create, edit, format document easily by simply opening the app and start typing. What you can do additionally is to change fonts, adjust styles, and format your text to make it stand out. Makes professional formatting effortless. So what this does is it makes a task which was known to be complex. Now it makes it to be simple and easy to use. The look and feel of the document becomes professional. Chapter 2, how to open a new document. Word, and you select blank document, and voila. Or if the Word is already open, you go to file and you select blank document. That's what you select, and then you start typing. This is what you would type naturally. And to create a document from a template, you select new, and you select new again. You scroll down, select a template of your choice. Yeah, so okay, this is what you type. You search, you can, like, there's many templates available for your download, up to 1,000. So you just type it, which one, it depends on what you want to do. But for this instance, just for an example, we'll use report. You scroll, you see, you preview different kinds. So there's so many. How to select and replace text. So, okay, let us type this for an example. Select the key, select the text to replace by double clicking. You select the text that you'd like to. If it's a whole sentence, what you do is you highlight everything, and a menu will appear. This is what will pop up. So you simply change the color. And if you want to access the formatting options, that table is there, that menu is there. So you can select format painters. Yeah, that's what you can do. Select and replace text. That's what you click. You click there. You select, you find what goal. If you want to replace, that's what you normally do. You find what you want to replace first. In this instance, it would be goal, and you want to replace everything from goal to objective. Do you guys remember what I spoke about in the CV section, like using action words? So if you want to look, if you want to make your document look professional, that's where you change. How to check spelling and grammar. You go to editor and you check spelling, and then it will show you different types of spellings that you would want to replace. So you go to editor, and automatically it will find many. If there is a mistake that was done spelling wise and grammatic wise, that's where you would normally go. So guys, this is just for Microsoft Word. I'll show you how to add plugins in order for you to use artificial intelligence instead of relying on Microsoft. This is not as solid as it can be. There are many softwares that are advanced but can be added on Microsoft Word. So editor can help you gauge so many things. You're able to write with confidence in every document or an email. Let me show you. Okay, on the web. Yeah, automatically that will do. Chapter 4, show word count. If you would like to check the word count, if this is an assignment, then you are concerned about the words. You just scroll down there, you see guys, you select it, you say selection mode, no, you go to character count and you're able to see. So each and every stroke, it's a character, but a word is made up of different characters. So yeah, you click there, you see number of words that you've so let us go here. You go to review, you will go to word count. So there are different ways of doing it. Chapter 5, insert link. If the document that you're trying to write has a link, this is where you go. Okay, let's say for an example, you wanted to include Wikipedia. You copy the link and then paste it into your doc. You'll paste it into your doc, and then that's what you do. You've officially pasted there, so you select the text you want to make a hyperlink. So automatically Microsoft Word has a plugin. When you say insert, you insert the link, you select the text, so the text that you've selected will just pop up there, and then oh my goodness, so you insert link, go there, you choose the link you want. So for this instance, you can change. Okay, if you want to change a link, you select there and then you paste the web address. You select OK, voila. So that's if you want the text to serve as an hyperlink, and when a person selects that, to add and format text. Let's add text, and you replace the cursor by start typing. To place a word, double click it and type. That's how simple it is. You don't need to go towards the end of the word and delete character by character. You simply double click the word that you want it to be replaced. To replace a word, you double click it, and let's see if we can change the whole line. You click left on, click to the left of the line, and then voila. You can change the font, the size of the sentence. Okay, Arial 14, and the color I will use this blue. Select bold and italic and underline. This is how you do it. You select bold, that B stands for blue, bold, and then italic, and then underline. How to create a bullet list. You firstly type 1, and then you select a dot, you press the space bar, and then voila. Okay, you've officially created the numbered list. You type and press enter to continue with the list. So this is what you do, right? If I were to create a shopping list, enter bullet points and press enter to add more items. Okay, if you hit enter, the list goes on. For multiple level lines, this is what you do. Yeah. Okay, how to convert existing text into the list. You select the text. This is how you do it. And then you choose the bullet or numbering system. You select which one you want to add. If it's numbers, you use numbers. If it's bullets, you use bullets. Okay, type the number and replace this and press space bar to continue the list. Right, select numbering. How to design and paragraph space. Change the line spacing. How to change the line spacing? You go to design, paragraph spacing. Okay, you just hover through, okay, double. Now you select a spacing option to apply it if it is what you want to do. Okay, to change the spacing, you select the text. Okay, you go to home and line spacing. It's 2.0, but most of the time it's 1.5. You can customize it and to your preference. So you go to before and after, you say 12. If you want to make this your default, okay, you can set as default. I'll document based on the, okay. How to apply styles. Applying styles. You select the text you want to format. You go to home and then you select styles there, scroll down, and then you select and apply it. So as you can see, the heading has changed. You can organize and move sections, you view navigation pane for an outline. Okay. The entire list. Yeah. How to apply themes. So you get to a point where like you need themes, and you just, theme is like the whole look and feel of the document. You go to design, press design, you go to themes, and you select which one. So the colors, as you can see, the look and feel becomes different, and the colors applied are somewhat different. You go to design. Okay. If you're starting a new document, you can search from 100 of themes. That's where it starts. You remember how we searched for reports? You can go here. How to change margins. So this is what margins are. the whole layout and the size, it, yeah, the proximity of the whole document from towards the end and the beginning. You go to left, these are inches. You have to test as you go. Okay, how to change pages and the orientation of the entire document. You select layout and you select orientation. It's portrait and landscape. You get to choose which one according to the needs of what you want to do. So if you want to separate everything, others to be portrait, others to be, okay, you select the part you want to. So you can tailor make the whole document based on the needs. So you get other documents need to be portrait. No, you get like different pages require different types of layouts. So how to insert headers. So you get to see other documents there, headers, there is a text above there. So you go to insert and then you select header. And then as you can see, you choose which theme you want to use. Let me say for this instance, I've used, okay. The header that I'm going to apply now is different. So you can change everything. You can edit document, this is what you do. You check different first pages and select those, and you select the type of header you want to be added. You go to, okay, you can remove it if you want to. This is how to insert numbers, page numbers, how to insert page numbers. Go to here, then you select type of numbers you want to. If you don't want page numbers on the first page, you select there, you click there, different first page, then you scroll down. As you can see, all pages have numbers except for the first one. You format the numbers to start with 2. No, let it start with 0 because of the cover page. And then you can close the header and footer. Let's see if it's different. Okay, voila. As you can see, the system is different. How to apply insert or delete the page. To insert or delete the page, you firstly click there. Okay, I want the page to break from this point. That's where I went. As you can see, that space is now different. Say layout, then you remember the landscape. So it's okay. Yeah, there we go. You'll see the setup will be different. So let's go to home and select that part. Chapter 2020, how to insert a table of content and references. You select references or table of content. You see the different format. Okay, you insert there. If you want to alter the table of content, you select it there, and then that's where you say update table of contents. You update or the entire document or that section only. How to insert a table. You get to a point where you're required to insert the table. So you go to insert and then you click table and then you select the number of rows you want to add. For this, it's 4 and then 4 by 3. You select the table and you go to table, insert table, and then number of columns, choose for 12. Okay, that's what we're going to use. Right, so if you have somewhere, you select table. You can draw the table if you want to. That's an option I use sometimes. You just click the pen and everything. If you want to edit table design, you select the table. Then you edit it there, table design. Okay, there are different kinds, that's where you click. 22, insert pictures. How to insert pictures. You go to pictures, you choose one from the option. This device will let you enter a picture from your PC. Okay, it can let you do that. So that's what you do. Can use stock images, those that are from the system, or icons, or you can cut out people or illustrations, images. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this one, insert, or an online picture from the internet. So you search just like that and then you insert. You can drag it and customize it, tailor-made to the size that you need. You select layout options. If you want text to be next to it, that's what you do. Chapter 23, how to add icons. How to add icons. Search for icons. Okay, this is where you go. Okay, these are the 2 icons I'd like to add. As you can see, I've added that. You remember how to write text around it. So you go there, and then you can change the color and customize it. You go to graphics format, and then you say graphics field, the color that's different. As you can see, I'm going to use this one. You can add effect. Select graphic effects. This one is my favorite. I'm gonna use this one so that it glows. It's like glowing. I can rotate it. Let me show you how to rotate. You can drag this anchor. Right, this is where I wanted it to face to look like. I can increase the size if I want to. This is how you do it. You right click and you write text into a square. Okay, so that I can write next to it. How to add word art. So you select insert and then you go to word art. You can see the different types of styles. I'm going to use this one for example. Then I'm going to type Amazon rainforest. Then I convert existing text into word art. This one, I'm going to highlight it and then quickly go to word art and select a style. Okay, that one is my favorite. I choose that one because it's my favorite. Okay. Let me show you this. This is how you change the color. You can choose any color of your choice. And the effects, this is how you change. For an example, you want to use shadow, you use shadow. The outer one, it's different needs for as per the document's requirements. Some you have to make them formal, some you need to make them less formal. How to add a watermark. You go to watermark and then you select the type of watermark. You go to design and then you select watermark. To change the watermark and tailor make it to the specific type of one, this is where you go, do not copy. How to add a ruler. On some other instances, you are required to add things like ruler. So you go to view, you select ruler, then you can see the size of the document. However, if you want to add, this is where you can go if you want to be advanced, and if you want to add a vertical one. So you have both vertical and horizontal. How to rotate pictures. There is a dragger there. You can move it like this and like that. The more you move it like that, appears different. As you can see, I'm dragging. So to rotate a specific amount, you can go to format picture. Okay. Different sizes and different degrees. Let me undo that. Depends on the document's requirements. Okay. You have your specifics. You go to more rotational options, select the rotation. So you'd like it to rotate at 12 degrees. That's where you go. It depends on the requirement. There, you can move it like this and like that. The more you move it like that, appears different. As you can see, I'm dragging. So to rotate a specific amount, you can go to format picture. Okay. Different sizes and different degrees. Let me undo that. Depends on the document's requirements. Okay, you have your specifics. You go to more rotational options, select the rotation. So you'd like it to rotate at 12 degree. That's where you go. It depends on the requirement. Okay. How to wrap text around pictures. This is what you do. You select the picture and then you select layout options. So there are different layouts. Please check there. This is how you can choose it to be like, okay, this laser, they can move it to wherever where I want to. And then if you want it to be in a mail, so it all depends on what you want to do. Or if you choose it to be like that, you can use it to be like that. You can edit the space between the pictures of your text and you select picture. You go to picture format, you edit it. You see different points. I can choose to drag it this to be on that other side. And then how do you save a document? Chapter 29, how to save a document. You go to select file and then you go to save as. Right. I chose OneDrive. Okay, this is where you save it. Please make sure that the autosave button is always activated, so that if you can have maybe experience load shading or power cut. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us on our first training, and you're officially graduates. Thank you so much for paying attention, going through this hectic training, 29 chapters, and you still hang up 29 chapters and you still stood by me, and then you learned as much as you could. I wish you all the best, and I thank you. Like and subscribe. There will be more similar courses for you. All right, thank you for going through this hectic training. 29 chapters is not a kid's play, so thank you so much for hanging in there. Please like and subscribe so that there could be more videos, similar videos, so much training we are gonna have with you guys. Thank you so much. I'm your host, Temengozi Vusindlovu, also known as Temba. Thank you, you were nice.